How to cancel Patreon subscription. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through and how you can cancel a Patreon subscription for yourself. Now, Patreon obviously is well known for the creators that it has on it, and obviously it has different pricings over here, as you can clearly see. Starting Patreon is free, but obviously to get the powerful core features in the future, you get paid memberships, which is obviously this and premium. Now, depending on the membership you have, and there's different ways that you can end a Patreon membership. And to end the Patreon membership, what you're going to do is you're just going to write Patreon subscription or Patreon membership end. Okay, you're just going to write that. And basically, you're going to come to this site where it takes you to the help center of Patreon, where it tells you how to cancel. So just go to your membership tab in the settings, click on the edit button and click on cancel membership. And in the case that you can't do that, because in some accounts and countries that's not able to happen, so you can just submit a request into the Patreon help center. And what you're going to do is you are just going to go ahead and you're going to go ahead and tell them I'm a member and I need support, because you obviously have the subscription and membership, and you're just going to tell them your issue and they're going to cancel your membership for you. So yeah, that's about it. That's how you're going to cancel your subscription to Patreon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.